If you work across multiple boards in Monday.com, this small feature can save you more time than you realize. Today, I want to show you a new navigation feature called Open in Overlay and how it helps you move between boards without constantly switching tabs or losing your place. If you're anything like most Monday.com users, you rarely work in just one board. In this board, I am working in a client register board that is connected to a time reporting board. And traditionally, if I wanted to review or update the time reporting board, I had two options. I could navigate away from the board I'm working in, or I could open up the board in a new browser tab. Neither option is terrible, but over time, constantly switching tabs, waiting for boards to load, and finding your place again adds friction to your day. Monday recently released a feature called Open in Overlay, and while it's not a complex configuration, it is extremely useful. This feature allows you to open another board or dashboard directly on top of the board you are currently working in, without fully navigating away. To use it, simply click the three dots on any connected board, linked item, or board reference and select Open in Overlay. The board opens in a temporary overlay window directly on your screen. From here, you can review data, make updates, and interact with the board just as you normally would. What makes this powerful is that when you close the overlay, you are immediately returned to the board you were originally working in. No switching tabs, no reloading, and no losing your context. This is especially helpful when you are reviewing related information, validating data, or making quick updates across connected boards. Another important detail is that this works across Monday.com products. For example, I might be working in work management, but want to quickly check a dashboard or board that lives in the CRM. Using Open in Overlay, I can view that CRM board or dashboard without leaving my current workspace. This makes cross-product workflows feel much more seamless. This is a simple feature that is easy to miss, but once you start using it, it can noticeably improve the way you navigate and work inside Monday.com. Less friction, fewer tabs, and faster context switching. If you want help optimizing how your team works across boards, dashboards, and products in Monday.com, click the link below to schedule a free discovery call. And if you want more practical Monday.com tips like this, be sure to subscribe to the Workflow Magic YouTube channel for weekly tutorials. Thanks for watching.